Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Renita. Let's make another delicacy of Christmas goodies, Rawa Laddoo using condensed milk. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference and let's get started. Preheat your pan on a low flame and add some ghee. To this, add some raisins. You can also add cashew nuts, almonds or walnuts. Strain them well and set them aside. To the same ghee, add semolina. Roast semolina on a low flame itself for a minute or two. Keep stirring and do not let the color change. Now add condensed milk. Initially I have added 3 tablespoons of condensed milk, mixed it well, and later I have added the remaining quarter cup. You can add the entire quarter cup at once. Stir it again for a minute and add roasted raisins and a pinch of salt. There's another version of Rawa Laddoo on my channel with slightly different ingredients. You can click the card above to watch that video. Keep stirring for 2 to 3 minutes together and turn off the flame. Do not let the mixture cool down. We need to roll our laddoos right away. Grease your palms with oil and start rolling out even-sized laddoos. Follow the same method with all the mixture and your Rawa Laddoo using condensed milk is ready. I hope you found this recipe useful and you'll try it as well. If you've tried any of my Kuswar recipes or any other recipes from my channel, don't forget to share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.